YouTube channel and I'm back with one more video. This is going to be the part 2 video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can easily make a planner out of a notebook. So if you have not watched the part 1 video, make sure that you go and watch that video, because in that video I have showed how you can make this cover and how you can do few of the other pages which we have included in the planner. In this video, as I promised in my last video, I will be showing you how you can make the different types of trackers along with few important pages which we are going to include in our monthly section of the planner. So let's get started with today's video. So first we will be making is a mood tracker. Now mood plays again a very important role in our entire day. So in order to track how was our mood throughout the month, here we will be making is a mood tracker. Now here you can make it very simple as well, like you can make few boxes and then you can write the dates in that and then you can track your mood in that. But here I want to make it little more fun and interesting. So here I will be trying something new for the mood tracker. So you can even try your own ideas as well. But here I will be making the one which will make me more interested in tracking my mood. So let's get started with it. So first of all, again we will be writing is the title, that is the mood tracker, so that we can get to know which type of tracker is this. So here I will be using is the permanent marker to make the outline, and then I will be filling it with my wax crayons. Here I have written the title. Now here down, as I mentioned earlier, we will be doing something interesting. Here I will be drawing random shapes, like whichever circle, triangle, rectangle, whichever I want to draw, I will be drawing those shapes here. So here instead of drawing that, you can draw balloons, or you can draw random squares, or you can draw the triangles, you can even draw flowers, any sort of pattern, any figure you want to draw, you can draw it here, and you can mention the dates in that. So that's what I will be doing in this space. Here for the 1st of May, I will be using is a circle, and I will be writing here 1, and I want to highlight it, like some part of it. So with the help of a sketch pen, I will be highlighting some part of it. This is our final mood tracker. Here I have drawn different shapes. Now here what we'll be doing is we will be creating here is a key section. Now what does this key means? it actually means that here whichever like emotions you want to mark, for that particular emotion we will be indicating a particular sign or a particular color. So here I will be making my key section right here. So here my key is also ready. Here I've written very happy, sad and angry. So here I've made these symbols. Now on that particular day, according to my mood, I will be drawing those symbols inside these figures or the patterns which I've drawn here. Now let's move on with the next type of tracker, that is the habit tracker. So you can see I have written here habit tracker. In this way also you can make the heading, but if you don't want to use a lot of colors, you want to keep it very simple, then in this way also you can make it. Okay, now here we will be leaving this space because this much space might not be sufficient for us to track our habits, because we want to write different habits and we want to like write all the days as well. From the next page we're starting with the tracking part, but here we will be making a summary page. Also here I will be making 2 columns. Here I made a summary section, like at the end of this month, when I am done with tracking all my habits, at that time I can come here, sit down and write down the habits which I have followed successfully for that particular month, and the habits which are not followed well and I need to work more on it. So that habit I will be writing down here, so that from the next month I can pay more attention to those habits as well. So guys, my habit tracker is finally ready. So here we can track 10 habits. So you can reduce this number accordingly. If you want to track less habits, then you can make that much number of boxes only. And here you can see here for one habit I have made 31 boxes. So for here I will be writing here the habit, and then from here I can track. That I have made like small key sort of a section. So if I put a tick, then it means it is done, and if it is a cross, then it means it is the particular habit is not done for that particular day. Now we'll be making our next tracker, that is a water tracker. Now the idea that I've planned for this is very interesting and relevant to the tracker that we are making. So let's start with that. So first we will be writing is the title over here. Again, you can write it simply or you can even make it fancier as well. I will be making it little fancy. So let's start. water tracker. Here I've made a cloud, and here I've represented each and every day of this month with the drops. So I might be thinking like how it is going to represent. So I have kept a limit of drinking 8 glasses of water every day. So here I'm not going to track each and every glass of water, but here we will be tracking the overall amount of water that I'm going to drink on that particular day. These were the few trackers which I wanted to include. 3 trackers which are very important, and I suggest you to even include these trackers in your planner as well. Now moving on to the very important thing, that is the weekly spread. Okay, so here I have written weekly spread. I have written week one, and then in this way I have made 4 boxes. So here I made for 5, 6, 7, and one page I have dedicated for weekly goals, and below I have made is the note section. Okay, so now the next section that we will be including is the subject overview section. So here I have written week one and week two. Now I'm not going to categorize into the different subjects. So for that week, whichever subject I will be studying, so accordingly I will be writing along with the main topic and the subtopic. If you want to categorize it into different subjects, then you can categorize, like you can write here the name of the subject, draw here a line, and then in that way you can categorize. Now we have to draw the same thing for week 3, week 4, and week 5. Okay, so here I have made week 5. Now one more thing that I have included here, which is my personal favorite, is new dishes to try. Now if you don't know, let me tell you, I am a big foodie and I love to eat new dishes, and even I love to try making new dishes. So this is the section which I've made for me to try new dishes. I will be writing down the dishes along with the ingredients and maybe the procedure, how to make it, so that it becomes very easy for me to refer. And now we will be making the last section for this month, that is going to be the monthly reflection page. Now this, if you don't know, let me introduce you to this page. That is, here we will be writing down the things that happen in that particular month. Here we will be focusing about the things that happen in that month only. And now I will be trying something new. So here, what I will be writing is, I will be writing few prompts for this month. If you don't know what prompts means, so these are few questions that we write, and at the end of the month when we will be filling this monthly reflection page, at that time we will be answering to those questions. So guys, here I have written all the prompts so that I don't waste your time. So first question is, this month on the scale of 10, then is what went well for me this month. Then is what didn't go well for me this month. Then is what are the 3 things I am grateful for. Am I getting good sleep? Did I take good physical care of myself? Then I have written ready for next month, and then I made the arrow. So this is the last page, and with this we have come to the end of our planner, and with this note I end today's video. I really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you really did, so don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe to my channel. Click on the bell icon to get notified whenever I will upload my latest brand new video. And I hope you even got some idea how you can make your own planner and customize it according to your likings. And until then, stay happy, stay safe, and love yourself. Bye.